Asking for the restroom.
Sorry, is there a restroom near here?
Yes, there is one on this floor.
Great. I am not sure which way to go.
Walk straight to the end of this hallway.
Straight to the end. Okay.
Then turn left near the blue sign.
Is it beside the elevators?
It is across from the elevators, next to the water fountain.
Thank you. Do I need a key or a code?
No key is needed during store hours.
That is good. Is it open now?
Yes, it is open until 9 o'clock.
Perfect. I have been looking for it for a few minutes.
This building can be confusing for first-time visitors.
Yes, there are many small shops and signs.
If you get lost, come back to this information desk.
Thank you. That is kind.
You're welcome. Also, the family restroom is on the second floor.
I only need the regular restroom.
Then this one will be fine.
After the restroom, I need to find the food court.
The food court is on the same floor. It is past the elevators.
That is helpful. So first left for the restroom, then straight for food.
Exactly. You understood it.
Thank you very much for your clear directions.
No problem. Have a nice visit.
Hotel room service.
Good evening. Is this room service?
Yes, it is. How may I help you tonight?
I am in room 408 and I would like to order dinner.
Of course. What would you like to have?
Do you have something simple and warm?
We have chicken soup, tomato pasta, and grilled fish.
The chicken soup sounds good. Is it very spicy?
No, it is mild and easy to eat.
Great. I will take one bowl of chicken soup.
Would you like bread with it?
Yes, please. A small piece of bread is fine.
Okay, would you like a drink?
Could I have a bottle of water?
Still water or sparkling water?
Still water, please.
Got it. One chicken soup, bread, and one still water.
That is correct. Can you also bring a small spoon?
Yes, we will bring a spoon, a napkin, and a small tray.
Thank you. That is perfect.
Would you like salt or pepper on the side?
A little pepper would be nice.
I will add it.
How long will it take?
Around 20 minutes.
Thank you. Should I pay now or later?
We can add it to your room bill.
That is easy. Thank you.
You're welcome. Please listen for a knock at your door.
I will. Oh, one more question.
Sure. What is your question?
Can you bring an extra napkin?
Of course. I will add 2 napkins.
Perfect. I appreciate your help.
It is my pleasure. Your order will arrive soon.
Thank you very much.
Have a comfortable evening.
Car wash.
Excuse me, is this the line for the basic car wash?
Yes, it is. Please stop your car near the yellow sign.
Thank you. It is my first time using this car wash.
No worries. I can explain it step by step.
That would be very helpful.
We have 3 choices today: basic wash, full wash, and inside cleaning.
What is included in the basic wash?
The basic wash cleans the outside of the car with water and soap.
Does it dry the car at the end?
Yes, the machine dries it with warm air.
Good. My car is not very dirty, but the windows look dusty.
Then the basic wash should be enough.
Do you clean the wheels too?
The basic wash rinses the wheels, but the full wash cleans them better.
I see. Today I only need the outside.
That is completely fine for a quick visit.
How long does it take?
About 6 minutes from start to finish.
That is fast. How much is it?
It is $8.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, please tap your card on this machine.
Done. Should I stay in the car?
Yes, please close the windows and keep the car in neutral.
Should I turn off the engine?
Keep the engine on, but do not touch the wheel.
Okay, I am a little nervous.
Do not worry. The belt moves your car slowly.
I see the green light now.
Good. When the gate opens, drive forward very slowly.
Thank you for explaining everything.
You're welcome. Enjoy the wash and have a nice day.
Basketball game tickets.
Hi, I am looking for one ticket for tonight's basketball game.
You are in the right place. The game starts at 7:30.
Are there still seats available?
Yes, but the middle seats are almost sold out.
I do not need the best seat. I just want to see the court clearly.
Then I can offer a seat in section B, row 10.
Is that close to the court?
It is not very close, but the view is good.
That sounds fine. How much is the ticket?
It is $25.
Are there any cheaper seats?
Yes, section D is $18, but it is higher up.
I think section B is better for me.
Good choice. Would you like a paper ticket or a mobile ticket?
A paper ticket, please. My phone battery is low.
That's okay. May I see your ID for the ticket record?
Sure, here it is.
Thank you. I will print your ticket now.
Is food allowed inside?
Outside food is not allowed, but you can buy snacks inside.
Okay. Is the entrance on this side?
Yes, use gate 2 just behind this counter.
Will they check my bag at the gate?
Yes, security will check small bags quickly.
I only have a small backpack.
That should be fine. Please keep your ticket in your hand.
Can I leave and come back later?
Re-entry is not allowed after you go inside.
Then I will stay inside until the game ends.
That is the best plan.
Great! Can I enter now?
Yes, the doors are already open.
Wonderful. I am excited to watch the game.
I hope you enjoy it. Here is your ticket.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a great game night.
At the Bank ATM.
Excuse me, could you help me with this ATM?
Certainly. What problem are you having?
I put my card in, but I do not understand the menu.
That is okay. First, choose your language on the screen.
I see English and Spanish. I will choose English.
Good. Now enter your PIN carefully.
Should I cover the keypad with my hand?
Yes, that is a safe habit.
Done. I need to take out some cash.
Then press Cash Withdrawal.
It asks me to choose an account.
Choose checking account if you use it for daily money.
Okay, now it shows different amounts.
You can choose one amount or type another amount.
I need $60.
Then press Other Amount and enter 60.
It asks if I want a receipt.
A receipt is useful if you want to check your balance later.
Yes, I would like one.
Great. Wait a moment while the machine counts the money.
I hear the machine working.
Now take your cash first.
I have it. What should I do next?
Take your receipt and then take your card.
Thank you. I almost forgot the card.
Many people do that, so the machine gives a reminder.
Can I check my balance before I leave?
Yes, but first make sure your card is still in the machine.
It is. I see balance inquiry on the screen.
Press that and then choose Print or No Print.
No print is fine. I can see the number.
Good. When you finish, press End.
I understand now. It was easier with your help.
I am glad I could help.
Have a nice day.
You too. Please keep your card safe.
Gift shop souvenir.
This gift shop has many nice things.
Yes, we have small gifts, postcards, mugs, and magnets.
I want to buy a souvenir for my sister.
That is nice. Does she like useful gifts or pretty gifts?
She likes useful gifts. She also likes simple designs.
Then maybe a mug is a good choice.
These mugs look nice. Are they heavy?
They are not too heavy and they are safe for hot drinks.
I like the white one with the city picture.
That one is very popular with visitors.
How much is it?
It is $12.
Do you have a small gift box for it?
Yes, we can put it in a blue box.
Great. I also want a postcard.
The postcards are on the stand near the window.
I see them. This sunset picture is beautiful.
That one shows the old bridge at night.
I will take the mug and this postcard.
Would you like a bag?
Yes, please. I need to carry it on the train.
Okay, I will wrap the mug carefully.
Thank you. I do not want it to break.
I understand. Here is the box with soft paper inside.
It looks safe. Do you have a small card too?
Yes, the cards are beside the register.
I will take this one with flowers.
Nice choice. I can put it in the same bag.
That would be helpful.
Your total is $15.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, please insert your card here.
Done. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. I hope your sister likes the gift.
Doctor's office form.
I have an appointment at 3 o'clock.
Please come to the desk. What is your full name?
My name is Tom Miller.
Thank you. Let me check the schedule.
Sure.
Yes, I see your appointment with Dr. Green.
Great. Do I need to fill out a form?
Yes, please complete this short form before you sit down.
I can do that. What information do you need?
Your address, phone number, date of birth, and a short reason for your visit.
Okay. I am here because I have a sore throat.
Please write that in this box.
Should I write about medicine I take?
Yes, please write any medicine you take every day.
I only take allergy medicine sometimes.
You can write that under medicines.
Do I need to show my ID?
Yes, may I see your ID and insurance card?
Here they are.
Thank you. I will copy them and give them back.
How long is the wait today?
The doctor is running about 10 minutes late.
That's fine. I can wait.
Please take a seat when you finish the form.
Okay. Is there a pen I can use?
Yes, here is a clean pen.
If I do not understand one question, can I ask you?
Of course. Just bring the form back to the desk.
Thank you. The letters are small, but I can read them.
Take your time. There is no rush.
That helps.
The nurse will call you after I enter the form.
Thank you for explaining everything.
You're welcome. I will call your name soon.
School project meeting.
I brought the poster paper for our school project.
Great. I brought the pictures and colored markers.
Nice. We are ready to start.
Our topic is healthy food, right?
Yes, we need to explain 3 healthy meals.
Breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Exactly. That makes the poster easy to understand.
For breakfast, we can write about eggs, fruit, and milk.
Good idea. We can draw a small breakfast plate.
For lunch, maybe a chicken sandwich and salad.
That sounds simple and healthy.
For dinner, we can write about fish, rice, and vegetables.
Perfect. Do you want to write the title?
Sure, I can write it at the top in large letters.
I will cut the pictures.
Please be careful with the scissors.
I will. Where should we put the pictures?
Put breakfast on the left, lunch in the middle, and dinner on the right.
That looks organized.
We also need to practice speaking.
I can talk about breakfast.
I will talk about lunch and dinner.
We should use easy sentences.
Yes, our class needs to understand us clearly.
Should we add one sentence about drinking water?
Yes, that is a healthy habit.
I will write, drink water every day.
Good sentence. It is short and clear.
The project is starting to look good.
I agree. Let's finish the poster first, then practice.
Good plan. We still have enough time.
If we work calmly, we can finish today.
Meeting an old friend.
Emma, is that you?
Tom, wow, I have not seen you for a long time.
I know. It has been almost 2 years.
You look great. How have you been?
I have been good. Just busy with work.
Same here. I work near this street now.
Really? I work only 2 blocks away.
That is funny. We were so close and did not know it.
Are you still living in the same apartment?
No, I moved last year. I live near the park now.
Nice. That area is quiet.
Yes, I like it. What about you?
I live near the train station. It is noisy but very convenient.
That makes sense if you travel often.
I do. I take the train to work every morning.
Do you still play basketball on weekends?
Not every weekend, but I still play sometimes.
That is good. I remember you loved basketball.
I did, and I still do.
Do you have time for coffee now?
I have about 20 minutes before my next meeting.
That is enough for a quick coffee.
There is a small cafe on the corner.
I know that place. The tea is good there too.
Great. Let's go there and talk for a few minutes.
I would like that. It is nice to meet you again.
I am glad I saw you today.
Me too. We should not wait 2 more years.
Agreed. Let's exchange numbers after coffee.
Good idea. Come on, the cafe is this way.
Planning Sunday breakfast.
Do you have any plans for Sunday morning?
Not yet. Why do you ask?
I want to make a nice breakfast at home.
That sounds lovely. Are you inviting friends?
Just 2 friends and my cousin.
Then you need simple food that everyone likes.
Exactly. I do not want anything difficult.
You can make eggs, toast, fruit, and coffee.
That sounds easy. Should I make pancakes too?
Pancakes are nice, but they take more time.
True. Maybe toast is safer.
You can add cheese, tomatoes, and olives.
Good idea. I also want something sweet.
Buy jam or honey. They are easy to serve.
What about drinks?
Coffee, tea, and orange juice should be enough.
I need to make a shopping list.
Let's write it together.
Eggs, bread, cheese, tomatoes, olives, jam, honey, coffee, tea, and juice.
Do not forget fruit.
Right. Bananas and apples are easy.
What time will breakfast start?
Around 10. Is that too late?
No, 10 is perfect for Sunday.
Should I put everything on the table before guests arrive?
Yes, prepare the plates, cups, and napkins early.
That will make the room look ready.
You can also play soft music.
Nice idea. It will feel calm.
Keep the food simple and enjoy the morning.
I should clean the kitchen on Saturday night.
That will make the morning easier.
Thanks for helping me plan.
Don't worry about it. Your breakfast will be simple and nice.
I hope everyone enjoys it.
They will. A calm breakfast with friends is always good.
If this video helped you, please hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. For more slow and easy English videos, subscribe to the Learn English with Daniel channel and turn on notifications. I'll be back soon with a new story.